Magandang hapon, Bagong Pilipinas. Narito ang Police News Express sa oras na ito.
Matagumpay na ipinagdiwang ng PNP Police Community Affairs and Development Group sa pangunguna ni Police Brigadier General Restituto Arcangel ang kanilang 32nd founding anniversary na may temang Ugnayang Pulisya at Sambayanan, hatid ay ligtas at maunlad na lipunan sa Bagong Pilipinas, na ginanap sa bulwagang Lapu-Lapu, Camp Brigadier General Rafael T. Crame, Quezon City. Dinaluhan ito ni Police Lieutenant General Michael John Dubria, the Deputy Chief PNP for Operations, bilang panauhing pandangal at tagapagsalita ng naturang selebrasyon. Isinulong ng seremonya ang pagkilala sa mga natatanging membro ng PICAG sa pamamagitan ng mga espesyal na parangal. Sila ay pinarangalan para sa kanilang kahusayan sa iba't ibang aspeto ng kanilang tungkulin. Tulad na lamang ni Police Colonel Joel Ada na tumanggap ng parangal bilang Best Senior PCO for Administration, Police Colonel Efren Fernandez II bilang Best Senior PCO for Operation, Police Lieutenant Colonel Lorvin Layugan bilang Best Junior PCO for Administration, Police Captain Nomar Macaraig bilang Best Junior PCO for Operation, Police Senior Master Sergeant Vanessa Villanos bilang Best Senior PNCO for Administration, Police Chief Master Sergeant Janice Arenas bilang Best Senior PNCO for Operation, Police Staff Sergeant Rayboy Abria bilang Best Junior PNCO for Administration at Police Staff Sergeant Mercolito Lovendino Jr. bilang Best Junior PNCO for Operation. Ginawaran din ang mga unit at stakeholder na nagbigay ng malaking suporta sa mga layunin ng PICAG. Nasungkit ng Regional Police Community Affairs and Development Unit 3 ang first place bilang Best RPCADU at sinundan ito ng RPCADU 5 bilang second place at RPCADU 4A at 7 bilang third place. Tumanggap din ng special award sina Police Executive Master Sergeant Jonathan De Leon, Yusek Gilbert Cruz, Miss Evelyn Bars at PNP Tagataguyod. Ang TMAX Riders Incorporated ay ginawaran bilang stakeholder awardee, habang ang Vanguard Anti-Crime and Corruption Task Force Incorporated ay tinanghal bilang Best NGO of the Year. Ang matagumpay na pagdiriwang na ito ay nagbigay ng pagkilala at pagpapahalaga sa lahat ng mga individual at unit na nagpapalakas ng ugnayan sa pagitan ng kapulisan at komunidad.
The strategic framework of the PICAG, we have to inform, to influence, and to engage the public. So, where are we now? What is the PICAG doing? What is the purpose of PICAG? You are the mouthpiece of the Philippine National Police Organization. Of course, for every activity, for every endeavor that is being undertaken by the PNP, we need the public to know, because there are so many things. If you look at the public, in their foreheads are stamped the question mark sign. Question mark meaning, what is the PNP doing? Why is the PNP involved in so many activities that are irregular and bordering to endorsing the PNP organization? Many do not know what we are really doing in the PNP, and that's where the PICAG and the RPCAD comes in. You have to inform, you have to influence, you have to engage. We have a very big population as a country, and there are many questions hurled upon us. There are so many bashers, and there are so many things that need to be clarified. And we, in the PNP organization, we are only about 128,000 strong, and the uniformed personnel is only about 126,000 strong. And we could not really grasp, and we could not really get all of these issues and concerns that are being hurled against the PNP. And we will be placed in a defensive position wherein we could not defend ourselves, we could not answer, we could not inform the people. But through the PICAG and through the RPCADU and through all these TV programs that we have initiated, we have Police at Your Service, we have Sumbong Nyo, Action Agad, i-report mo kay Chief, we have the Police News Network, and this is our vehicle to reach out to the people. We have to be able to send a message. We have to be able to give a good or project a good image of the PNP. For so long, we had been in that position.
Para sa iba pang mga napapanahong balitang pampulisya, laging tumutok sa Police News Network, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.